Hello, welcome back to the channel Oliver's Musical Genius in Search of the Perfect Jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. Link in the description. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. Link in the description as well. I'll be playing a song called Manhattan by the Handshake, the Handshake.band. That's right, Manhattan, the Handshake.band. And we'll include a link to the Handshake as well if you want to hear the original version of the song. And here we go. The air in my lungs is good, and the light in my eyes is right. The light in my eyes is right. I stoop on a tree-lined street is a refuge from everything. You can't escape that here. No matter how much brick, no matter how much metal, 'cause there's nothing calling you but what's inside. They call me the hunter. God, are you on my side? God, are you on my side? I swing a heavy line. There's nothing beyond my sight. Beyond my sight. You can't escape that here. No matter how much faith, no matter how much metal, and I've been searching for this feeling all my life, yeah. They call me the hunter. God, are you on my side? God, are you on my side? I swing ahead of the line, and there's nothing beyond my side. Beyond my side. They can't escape that fear. No matter how much brick, no matter how much metal, and I've been searching for this feeling all my life, yeah. Comfort is not embrace. You slip and you're laid to waste. You suffocate and decay. But fear is your strength misplaced, and grace is your strength displayed. Faith is of weakness made. You can't escape that here. break down. Lies, lies, lies. Yeah, break down. I think I have a problem here. I think I put the plug in the wrong hole. Did I? So I have this Donner looper. I think I messed up. I think I had the thing in the wrong hole. Let's try again. All right. Trying again. That was the problem. I had it in the wrong hole. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll try better next time.